Yo dudes, welcome to 30 grams of protein, easy vegan burrito bowl. Yes!
This is going to take 10 to 15 minutes, packed full of flavor, packed full of fiber and plant diversity.
And protein. So first step we are going to do is fry our tofu. So we've got a wide bottom pan. I'm going to pop it on a high heat.
Decide what way you want your tofu. Typically, if you chop it into smaller pieces, you're going to have a greater surface area for more flavor carrying. So I'm going to go into small little triangles. I think they look great amongst it. So we're going for skinny little pieces. Very Sean.
I'm going to go in with 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil.
It's going to help us sear it. Searing means we're going to kind of seal the outsides of it. Once the oil is starting to heat up, just pop our tofu in and we're just going to slowly spread each little one just around that oil a little bit just to get them. It's going to help with the heat transfer, the flavor development and the searing. Try to make sure they're not touching because it's going to brown all over, or at least go golden anyway.
So we're just going to cook it for 1 minute on each side and then turn it.
And what you're looking for is that it's seared or it's sealed or it's gone lightly golden on each side. Very lightly. You'll see it there. There's a notable difference.
Now, very simple. Tofu and tamari are the perfect match. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of tamari.
So we're just keeping this simple. It is going to sizzle a little with the oil and the water from the tamari. What we want to do here is just keep it spreading throughout the pan. So the flavour starts to really pass through each little bit. Ah, nice movement, Dave.
You want to just really kind of do the jiggle.
Okay, once it is nicely coated all over and once this tamari is going to contract, reduce, and the flavours are just going to coat that tofu beautifully. So we'll turn the residual heat off the pan. We'll start taking our tofu out and we're going to keep that flavour for our next bit. So into our pan that currently has our tamari in, let's add something that has a little bit of water.
We've got our tinned beans, which we've drained and rinsed. That's 1 tin, 400 gram tin, net weight 250 grams, and 1 tin of baby sweet corn.
I've got a chili, which I'm going to roughly chop. We're going to keep the seeds in because we want to make this a little bit spicy.
So I am going in with a little pinch of salt with the beans and the corn, just to help enhance the flavour, really.
And then we've got 1 red pepper, just to make sure to get all of it. Cut the sides off. We don't want any of that white pectin inside. The white pectin can be a little bit bitter. Easiest way to get the top off is cut the top off like that. Take the middle bit out.
We've got a few spices here. I've got 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, and I've half a teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to add them in here now into the pan. Just make sure and move it all around because I do want to coat every bit of this black bean and corn salsa. It's really a delicious charred salsa.
We've got 2 green onions, also known as scallions, this part of the world.
Oh, that looks cool. Nice little, that's nice.
And then we've got a big chunk of coriander. I'm going to pop the stalks through this. So just take the stalks and just finely dice them. Or finely slice them more than dice.
I'm going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of water. That's really tasty.
Coriander stalk just adds a nice pop of flavour and something that many people could waste.
So the little bit of water just deglazed. There was a start of the beans were starting to catch in the bottom of the pan and some of the spices. So it just evaporate off that moisture for another minute or 2 and that is our salsa done. 2 parts done, tofu, salsa done. Now it's pretty much just putting it all together. Final thing before we put it together is we're going to slice up some fresh avocado. Easiest way to prep an avocado is to take out the stone and then spoon out the flesh. Always best to chop your avocado on a board rather than in your hand. Okay, now just to show you how to plate this up, we've got some cooked quinoa. I'm going to use this as the base.
So you just got some pre-cooked quinoa?
Yeah, I just bought it in a pack. This is going to be the base. And quinoa is a pseudo grain, they call it.
So it's high protein.
It's actually a seed, so that's what makes it really high in protein. Okay, salsa's gone on next. So this is our black bean corn spiced salsa. It's really nice bang of flavour off this.
Okay, in goes our tofu. Tofu diamonds. A little bit of avocado. Let's go with half personally. And finally, we all eat with our eyes. We're using our Happy Pear beet hummus. Just nice pop of colour to it. And we'll just make this whole thing sing and add diversity to it. Just a little spoonful of it.
And finally, just to finish it off, we've got a little bit of chopped coriander just to elevate everything and give that nice kind of
Lovely plate of food.
Yeah, really, really nice. So as we said, this is 30 grams of protein packed with plant diversity. It is absolutely fiber maxing and it took us 10 minutes to make. So this is a really fantastic recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider joining our recipe club. We've got more than 1,000 delicious plant-based recipes, an amazing community, and it's all about helping support you and making it easier for you to eat healthier choices. So do check that out.
Super tasty. Thanks a million for watching. We're Steve and Dave. Bye.
Bye, cheers.